Today we're making Jordan Main Minecraft. So let's start. Sorry, I'm not here to make the outline. So let's start first.
Por esta maravillosa alianza, Miriam, Sara, Rosalía, Sara,
Salamat po sa Diyos sa itinuro sa ating ang mas malalim na kahulugan ng salita ng Diyos sa Biblia na sinuwang mawala ng buhay dahil sa akin at sa Ebanghelyo ay mailigtas yun. Hindi po pala tayo magiging bless sa ating buhay na parang wala nang halaga ang ating buhay at palabayaan ng ating sarili. Kundi, dahil pinagdala tayo kay Kristo, na wala na yung ating buhay natin. Ibig sabihin po, nabubuhay na tayo kay Kristo, bilang Kristiyano, buhay natin ang ating buhay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Nabubuhay tayo ayon sa kung ano ang ibig ng Diyos at lumalakad tayo sa daan na inihanda ng Diyos para sa atin. Kaya naman, tuloy lang tayo mga kapatid, maraming gawain dapat magawa. Tandaan, hindi tayo lugi kung susunod tayo sa Diyos. Ayon sa mga Timoteo 4:8, ang kabanalan sa lahat ng mga bagay ay pinakikinabangan na may pangako sa buhay na ito at sa darating. Pinalingkod ng Diyos, pagsasanayan natin ang hiko ng kapaslangan sa harap ng Diyos mula sa lahat at ng mga tao at masasanay tayo ng kabanalan. Salamat po sa Diyos.
our hope is in God, and we cannot be without trust in Him. We have seen many things contained in righteousness, but we must always think about God as He makes us alive. As it says in Acts 17:25, seeing He giveth to all life and breath and all things. There are two types of life, and this will get explained to us today through Mark 8:34-35 and Galatians 2:19-20. So if we follow Christ, we will lose our old lives and have a new life which is living by faith. By following Christ, we take up His cross and reject ourselves. We reject our old lives. Mark 8 tells us, and when He had called people unto Him with His disciples also, He said unto them, whosoever will come after me, let him deny himself, and take up his cross, and follow me. We must live a life of obedience, a life of obeying Christ. We must deny our own lives. This has been enforced by Paul, who in his first life persecuted the church, and lived by the faith in his second. It says in Galatians 2:20, I am crucified with Christ, nevertheless I live, yet not I, but Christ who liveth in me, and the life which I now live in the flesh, I live by faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself for me. But by living by faith, believing and trusting in the living God, we will labour and we will suffer reproach. But despite this, we must always have conscience void of offence towards God and towards men, as we were told in Acts 24:16. Continuing this message, 1 Timothy 4:8 tells us, for bodily exercise profits little, but godliness is profitable unto all things, having promise of the life that is now is, and of that which is to come. So concluding, we must live our lives according to what our will God wants.
1,
And in
2, 3,
thank you
4,
God for our teaching
5,
today.
6.
Arrivederci.
Di po sa sentimental,
Okay, now it's
por eso
done.
resolvemos servir a nuestro Señor Jesucristo con todo nuestro
Written
ser.
down
Si
to make
nosotros no servimos a nuestro Señor con todo nuestro ser, nuestra vida viene siendo quemada. Por eso comunicamos Marcos 8:35. Todo el que quiera salvar su vida la perderá, y todo el
Mina,
que
hi! Nadigassi dito. Alaban. Tanta. Mina, hi! Hi, Nati Kasaki. Chai. Hi, Nati Kasaki.
Sukli niya.
Mina! Just Mina.
Y esforzados por disciplinar la actividad que tiene progreso en esta vida y en la vida.
Bye guys. Now